Julia Underdah has expressed that gravity and space play an important role in the installation of her work. The sculpture we see here, titled L, resembles the letter in shape. Perhaps the title only refers to the shape, or perhaps there is a deeper connection. Does L stand for a particular word? Crafted from roofing rubber, like many of the other sculptures made by the artist in this material, the surface is worn and speckled with scuffs, scratches, and nicks. In the middle of the piece, the rubber is sliced into many thin strips, resembling cords or hair. What else might this remind you of? One lone strand is unattached, dangling freely. The artist has allowed the rubber to fold, hang, and overlap, especially where the material is sliced. Julia Underdah mentions that she views sculpture as an extension of her body. She also often thinks of rubber as being similar to skin. If we think of the work from this perspective, what new meaning might the shapes, attention to gravity, and the way she manipulated the material have? If you had to imitate this sculpture with your own body, what would it look like? What pose would this sculpture be in?